villagers or farmers. We need this farm to produce food so that we can put something on table and we can generate income. And for the workers in an organization, you need that skill you are good at. You need that skill to work, to produce the resources needed in your organization so that you can remain in that organization even if you are entrepreneur. Without that entrepreneurial skills, you cannot move or you cannot go anywhere. So anyway, we are working for our stomachs. Food, we work because of food. Clothes, education, or we are doing that because we want to eat, we want to fill our stomachs. You cannot go without food. You can go with one cloth, but you can't go with the one meal for a week, even for 2 days mostly. And today I want to cook. I want to do that cooking of less than $1, even it's less than $1 for my 2 babies and for my family. Yeah, want to do that cooking. And here I'm going to cook this banana in a traditional way of cooking, just boiling it, and we are done. With some eggs, it will do good, and that will be less than $1. So stick here, let's cook together and enjoy this meal. Let's cook for less than $1. So if you are in the village, you can cook even for 10 in less than $1. It's like 120 something Kenyan shillings. You can cook for that. That can be enough for you, but that is in the villages. In the cities, it might be too much, but it can't be practical. The birds just saw that banana was good enough for it to build there, and it build. But I'm so sorry, bird, have to destroy your house. Hide no otherwise. I'm ready to cook for my family and for my viewers. If you are near me, you're welcome. You're all welcome. This food is enough for even 5 people. Yeah, so let me cook this. And that my boy, he's always everywhere, very energetic. You will never see him settled. Even if I'm settling, he will never settle. I don't know why, but anyway, maybe it is babies are like that, children are like that, not like us adults. Sometimes you just feel like you can have that moment of silence, just relaxing. But for babies, moving around, that busyness, doing nothing, is all for them. And sometimes we need it to be free-minded like a child. You don't have anything to hold back. You are just free-minded, not minding about tomorrow, just living the moment. And I think that is the best thing you can do, living the moment. Because trying to figure out what you will do tomorrow, what you will eat tomorrow, what you will wear tomorrow, it makes everything chaotic and stressful for nothing. But for a baby, what you give him to or her to wear is enough. Provided he is not a teenager, what you provide for him, it is enough. And he or she doesn't mind where he find himself or herself. There is where he will settle. So being a baby or being with a mind like that of a baby is a good thing, or is a precious thing you can never ask for. No grudges, no nothing, just living the moment. Try living the moment and see. Try not chasing what you cannot chase, or try just being you. And being you maybe can mean being stressful, but try being that stress-free person. But sometimes you need to be stressful to keep moving, but try being with the mind of a child, not worrying too much of things you can't solve. Just solve what you can and move on. Let's see what life can give us. Let our cow eat that too. It had a portion of hers.